Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can see your deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. So here I'm on my Messenger and you can see this guy deleted a lot of messages, and in order to see the messages, what I can do, you cannot see the deleted messages over on your Messenger. You have to go for the Facebook. So open up your Facebook and then tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right, and then scroll down and go to settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. And in setting you have to type in the search bar download, and here you can see where it says download profile information. Tap on that and then tap on request to download. Now if your Facebook is connected with your Instagram, like you can see I have two Instagram profiles that are connected with my Facebook, so you just have to uncheck all of the Instagram profile and just go with the Facebook, and then tap on next, and then from here select types of information. Over here you have to check on messages and then tap on next. And here you can see we also have a format option. So if you want, you can download your information in HTML format, or we have the JSON format. So I'm gonna go with HTML and then just submit the request. And within few minutes your information will be ready and you can download it from your email address that you have given. And from there you can see all the deleted messages of your Facebook Messenger. So guys, that's how you can see your deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.